Raising Cane's Chicken Fingers is an American fast food restaurant chain specializing in chicken fingers founded in Baton Rouge, Louisiana by Todd Graves in 1996. There is a location in Modesto, California which opened on December 16, 2022. The restaurant has a small menu featuring chicken fingers and other items such as sandwiches and fries. Customers can order online or visit the restaurant at 3801 Pelandale Avenue STE, F1 Modesto, CA 95356-5. The menu includes the box combo which consists of 4 chicken fingers, crinkle-cut fries, 1 cane sauce, Texas toast, coleslaw, and a regular fountain drink or tea for $39. Other items include the chicken sandwich and coleslaw which are made with a proprietary blend of premium seasonings and spices. The menu also includes other items such as sandwiches, wraps, salads and sides.